So let's go straight to our guest, Derek O'Brien. If I can start with you, what do you make of this politics? Isn't it a bit immature?
No, I think, Sunetra, we have to see all this in the context in which it happened, where it happened, what was said.
Okay.
So if you allow me to clarify that first. Number one, what was said at a meeting of party workers. Okay, this was said to Trinamool party workers by a Trinamool party leader. There were 1,500 workers there. This is a party which has just come off 3 decades of being at the receiving end of 53,000 of our workers dying. And I'm not suggesting an eye for an eye, a tooth for a tooth. Number two, what was said and where was it said? What was the social milieu of where it was said? This wasn't said in a central Calcutta air-conditioned restaurant. This was said to a group of 1,500 workers, and what was said, one, these were social issues. One is, do not be seen at the market, do not have a cup of tea with them socially, and do not attend each other's weddings. I think somewhere in this, everything which Mamata Banerjee and Trinamool Congress are doing,
yes,
small internal party meetings also. I think this is the silly season in politics, if I may say. Parliament is off, the elections are over.
No, okay, just
so
to
you
clarify,
take these small, you take these
just
issues.
To clarify that, you're saying that this isn't such a big deal because it's an internal party meeting, but we report internal party diktats all the time. For instance, recently what made big news for the Congress was Rahul Gandhi told people internally, all his leaders, about what happened after UP. So that way that doesn't count. But you tweeted today saying that in her latest interview, Mamata Banerjee has said that certain mistakes have been made. We are learning from our mistakes, and would you call this a mistake?
No, not at all. This is not a mistake. There are so many other. This is not at all a mistake, because I'll tell you where this issue is, and that is why sometimes and so often the Trinamool Congress is misunderstood by another group of people.
Mm-hmm.
In this social milieu, if you need to understand this social milieu, let me give you a little example. There may be a group of people who are very comfortable, let's say, talking about love marriage. There may be another group of people who are not, who would more depend on arranged marriage, because the social context and the social milieu is different.
Okay.
So where my colleague said this, to who he said this, unless we understand, rather than judge different social milieu by a common denominator,
okay,
I'm suggesting this is not a mistake at all.
Okay,
because I can give you
we do
other
report
examples.
party workers
Let
meetings,
us not talk about freedom. Sunetra, let me just make one point.
Okay.
As I said at the top of the program, no eye for an eye, a tooth for a tooth. But we've lived in a state where outside a door, a bamboo was put into the ground and a white sari was rolled in case you didn't vote for CPM. So we've seen the worst. And here is something which is an internal meeting. It is in a different social context, and now we are discussing it out of context. Let me take my own example. I think you gave a good example of Ravi Shankar Prasad and the Scindias. You gave an example, and they all come from a different social milieu, and not from the social milieu which Jyotipriya Malik was discussing or sharing with. We need to understand this, because otherwise you'll always misunderstand the Trinamool Congress. And if you're saying it's a mistake, not at all. It was certainly not a mistake. If you're referring to Mamata's other interview, yes, she was referring to that in a general way in an interview which is already up on the net, where she said the Chief Minister's experience itself is a learning process.
Derek, you refer to the past in West Bengal politics, and D. Raja is here. So I wanted, but just to say that we've seen these kind of mixed marriages also in other milieus as well. We see it, and in fact, my colleague was just pointing out how there's recently a Samajwadi Party MLA also married a BSP MLA. So we do see those mixed things. D. Raja, some of the things that, how would you counter this? How are you viewing this latest diktat? Was the left also doing this?
I do not think that left is practicing such a thing. In fact, we are opposed to such social boycotts and other such things. In fact, we have been seeing how people live, marriages, in deaths. People come together and mix among themselves, mingle with each other, share their grief, share their joy.
Do your leaders in Bengal go for that, go and meet their Trinamool counterparts like that? Because I know that, of late, all that we've heard in the news are fights of people burning down each other's offices, of murders.
This is a political rivalry. If they fight CPI or if they fight CPM, I have no problem. Let them fight at political.
Trinamool friends?
No, if let them fight at political level, ideological level. Let them go to people, win their support, win the people on their side. We have no problem. But this kind of sectarianism, this kind of social boycott or this kind of hatred is not good for our democracy. After all, we are a democracy, and these are all dangerous for the democratic polity of the nation. That's what I would like to point out at this point of time.
Okay. Let me just get some of the reactions, Derek. Deepa Das Munshi, as an alliance partner in West Bengal, how are you viewing this?
Obviously, Bengal has its own social culture, where cutting across the party line in every occasion, people meet together. We can't put restriction on them. This is not the culture of Bengal. What Mr. Raja has said, that cutting across the religion, party line, our caste, everything, we meet people all together in our constituency also, outside constituency also. Earlier also we have seen Mamata Banerjee going to see Jyoti Basu when he was not well.
Yes.
So this is the normal, what we said in Bengali, bhadrata. That is always there. But suddenly, if it is in a party meeting or outside, I'm not talking about that. Even in the party meeting, we cannot put restriction on that. It is democracy. We can't make democracy democracy.
Okay, I just want to ask you one small point. We've also seen lots of fights between.
Sunetra.
Yes, Derek, I'm just coming. I just want to ask one thing to Deepa Das Munshi. We've seen lots of fights between the Congress and Trinamool locally as well. Do you think this diktat would also apply? Would a Trinamool person be allowed to marry a Congress person?
Look, once I'm just going little back. Once Mamata Banerjee used to say watermelon to few Congress leaders, and when they joined their party, they become normal, and now they are now the ministers, some MPs and
Where
all.
are we going to,
So
Sunetra?
if joining Trinamool, they can go for a rehabilitation. I don't know what's the party wants to say.
Okay,
but
Derek.
obviously, if I think it's all personal view, we cannot put restriction to the party or the people.
Okay.
If we can ban CPM or
Okay,
the
Ms.
Congress, that's different. But we cannot put restriction.
Derek, you wanted to intervene.
It's all different views. That if
I wanted to say
think
two things.
I can't go to their house.
Firstly,
If they think they can't come to our house,
I wanted to say
that's
two
a
things.
personal view.
Yes,
but
ma'am.
this can't be a party's view.
I wanted to say two things.
Yeah, go ahead, Derek.
I wanted to say two things. One is, I do not wish to indulge in a clever play of words, whether it's democracy or democracy. I will leave the clever play of words to the lady who used the clever play of words. But I come from a party which over the last so many years have lost 53,000 people by the CPM. The lady who is speaking on behalf of the party does not know what is the struggle for Nandigram, what is the struggle for
Okay,
Singur. She's
but
talking
does that
about
justify-
democracy and she's talking about fruits. This is not about fruits, this is a serious issue.
Okay,
And the
okay,
serious issue is,
Okay, let's get back.
yes, the food
just
minister,
one
my
second.
colleague,
No, let's get
was
Monobina
talking
in.
to
Monobina,
1,500
your
of his
piece today,
colleagues.
your piece today in Times of
I
India,
want to
and you're
raise
also
one point.
just one sec, ma'am. Just if we can get some other opinions here as well. Monobina, you
No,
have
I just
actually
want to
written
ask Mr. O'Brien one simple question.
We'll come back to you, ma'am. Just one second. Monobina, in your book, you've also, and while I was speaking to you earlier, you said that you were sympathetic to her. You've written also a biography, so obviously you've interacted with Mamata Banerjee as well, or you've followed
I
her career.
haven't interacted with her. I followed her
And you
career,
followed
and
her career.
I have interacted
Now
with the party.
you say
people.
that you really sympathize with her, but do you think people like you who sympathize with her, or some others who are supporters of Mamata Banerjee, do you think that they're losing faith over the last few days?
Actually, I mean, listening to Derek and Deepa Das Munshi, I would like to say that, in a way, Mamata has internalized the culture of the CPM. It's wrong. I would disagree with Raja when he says that CPM didn't have a policy of social boycott. In fact, CPM did practice social boycott. If I remember correctly, one top CPM leader actually went around at public meetings saying that people shouldn't name their baby girl Mamata.
Right.
There were all kinds of allegations.
And he said that
you
in a
know,
public
as a woman, as a single woman, all kinds of verbal, physical attacks on her. So she has come. I mean, you know, when you say that, I did empathize with her because I saw her coming from a certain position of weakness from
Yes.
where she went from strength to strength. But that, however, doesn't negate the fact that she has internalized this culture so much, maybe consciously, maybe subconsciously, but she is actually repeating the same story of victimhood, which was part of a psyche, which made Mamata what she was. But she's no longer a victim. She's now in power, and she's now in power with a huge majority.
And this,
So, you know, she cannot, if she practices the CPM's policies, I mean, whether it's social, cultural, political, it would mean that she's continuing the same policies. And I think West Bengal didn't give her such a huge mandate to practice the same policies. In fact, the mandate was
they want
meant...
Poriborton.
Yes,
Yeah,
and
change.
the mandate was meant not only to get economic reforms or FDI, which was part of it, but the mandate was also to break this whole cultural, political, coercive policies which the CPM, and I would not mention the CPI because I know how the left front functioned,
Yeah.
I know what the CPI, the junior partners felt about it. I would mention the CPM, which was
Yeah.
solely responsible.
No,
for
I
this.
would like I would like Derek to kind of respond to that. But before that, I want to get Jayanta Ghoshal in, because you know we are all talking about Mamata Banerjee, and perhaps you have the last major interview that she gave, and that thing that that Derek tweeted about when she said that she's made some mistakes and learning from mistakes. Do you think she was referring to all these things, not just of course right now, this has happened right now, but also the entire thing about the, you know, the rape, the handling of the rape cases and things like that? Was she referring to that?
No, yeah, I think so, because you know what I can say, that she is a trainee chief minister. So you have to give some time to trainee chief minister also.
It's been a year though.
Because now, because 34 years CPM rule was there. Till she has a mindset of street fighter opposition leader.
Yes.
And what Monomina said, I completely agree with her, that the culture she inherited.
Yes.
You know, in the party constitution of CPM also, there is a social boycott if the party member,
You'll have to
if
respond to that.
you know,
Yeah.
if you expel the party member,
Yes.
then in the CPM party manifesto, I'm telling you, there is a social boycott. This word is there. So after the Somnath Chatterjee's expulsion, lot of discussion on the social boycott of
Yes.
Somnath Chatterjee.
Yes.
But I'm telling you, the Mamata Banerjee personally, she met Mr. Gurudas Dasgupta, the CPI leader, just few days back at the Central Hall, and there was a
And even Deepa Das Munshi was talking.
and she met. So culturally, you know, Derek's brother is in the left party,
Yes.
attached to the left party.
Yes.
So Derek is not boycotting
And
his
Derek
brother.
was mentioning that his
So,
father was nominated.
the father. So actually, culturally, what is projected today, and actually what Mamata is, there is a difference between the appearance and reality.
Okay.
But I am not supporting what Jyotipriya Mallik said, and what I mean. But I think these mistakes, if you say that we are
Does she know that this is a mistake? All these
no, I think she is realizing the mistakes, but publicly she is not ready
Okay.
to accept the mistakes, and this is a transitional phase. And you know, in the opposition space, just it's a vacant, and
That's-
we cannot sponsor an
Okay.
anarchy in Bengal.
Yes.
So you have
Okay.
to give some time
Derek,
for the
just respond.
governance.
Okay.
Otherwise you will just.
Derek, I wanted to respond to what Monobina also brought up, what Jayanta is also saying. You know, the fact that a lot of people have also been writing and saying that they wanted, one of your slogans, one of the campaign slogans for Trinamool was Bodla na Bodol Chai. You know, so why are we seeing this kind of politics of social, of this vendetta, of this kind of bitterness towards the left?
I think there are 2 points here. The first one is sometimes we oversimplify in the 24/7 television media, and we over magnify. So in the last few months, there has been a lot of oversimplification and over magnification, but the big things which have happened in Bengal in the last 336 days are not getting magnified because they are not you know, they're not they're hardcore. Let me give you one example, Sunitra, just one, and I can
Yes.
give you 45 other examples.
Yes.
In the first 34 years, 6 childcare centers were built in Bengal from 1977 to 2011. In the last 336 days, not 6, but 13 more.
No,
This
I
is just one
understand that,
department
but the
health.
press, Derek, the press is
And
meant
I
as a
think the second
watchdog.
point
We are
which I
only
want to
meant to
make, Sunitra-
highlight all that goes wrong. I understand what you're saying, but we as a watchdog are only meant to highlight what's gone wrong. Mr. Raja, you wanted to...
Sunitra. If I put a hidden camera at your NDTV editorial meeting where your editorial director or one of your senior colleagues, not editorial director because no, one of your senior colleagues is pumping up 100 of your colleagues
No, but
in
we are
NDTV.
not answerable. We are
okay?
not... You know, Derek, I don't think that analogy stands. Once again, if I can just, Mr. Raja, you wanted to rebut.
No,
Yeah.
You know, the
Manabina
analogy,
was,
the only difference in the
referring to
analogy is
some of
that
the speeches
53,000
made
of
by
my
some,
co-workers have died in the
CPM
last
leaders.
35 years. From
No,
the
but you are
gentleman,
saying- no, but,
I wouldn't
Derek, you're also saying that
poor
it's
Mr.
not a
Raja
revenge
sitting
politics.
there CPI,
Okay,
but the CPIM have butchered 53,000 of my colleagues and my co-workers over the last so many years.
So it
So
justifies?
it's a very different psyche here.
Okay. Mr. Raja, please go ahead.
No, the problem is how we are going to address the issues of today. Manabina was referring to some of the speeches made by some CPM leaders.
Yes.
I'm not here to defend what they spoke.
Yes.
And he was also referring to some CPM document which I'm not aware of such document.
Social
What I'm saying, was is not is. Now left front is not in power.
Yes.
After 34 years, left front has been voted out. Now she has been given the mandate,
Yes.
verdict of the people. She has to uphold the rule of law. She has to ensure good governance. Now, why the intellectuals are up in arms
That's
against
right.
her? Why the academicians
I
are
also
up
wanted
in
to ask
arms
you another thing,
against her? That I sympathize
Raja.
with
No, Mr. Raja, I
intellectuals
also want to ask
intellectuals
you
are up
this
in
kind
arms,
of
nothing more
politics
than
of
that.
rivalry. Just one sec, Derek. This one, the thing, you know, in the story that we showed, we also saw what was happening with Mr. Thambidurai in the south. So, is this? Why don't we see this? If we don't see this in Delhi, as we saw, you know, that in example of the Scindias, with with families with different things. Is this particular of some kind of regional politics, of this kind of bitter rivalry?
No, there is some bitterness and rivalry which leads to kind of hatred, and there people separate themselves, not mingling, mixing. That happens even in Tamil Nadu to an extent.
It happens,
It is there. I regret for that, and I used to tell that is not the culture of Tamil Nadu, or as Deepa was saying, it is not the culture of Bengal.
Yeah.
And people are people, and people share their grief, common grief together, share their common joy together.
Yeah.
It is not that people don't come together. Go to any village, if somebody dies, people are together. If
Okay.
there is a marriage, people are together.
Okay.
If there is a festival, people are together, irrespective of their caste, religion, all differences. So we will have to understand what our people are. Having
move
said
forward.
that,
Yeah.
now I am coming to West Bengal. Now she has been given the mandate, and
And
she has to provide good governance to the people of West Bengal.
Okay.
I wish she does it, but why she allows, I don't know, but because today there is a report that minister has said he has been misquoted by the media.
No, they haven't. No, Monabina,
That's
I
what
just wanted to ask
I
you.
hear. So
We've seen a lot of outrage, among the intellectuals. We've seen people like columnists like you and other people write about this. Now, do you think is this outrage more like an urban thing, or is her real vote base, the rural vote base, are they also, is this affecting them, all these moves? I just wanted to ask that.
See, I think it's too early to say. I agree with Joyanta. I mean, you have 34 years of uninterrupted rule by a party which hasn't exactly, I mean, you talk about governance, I really can't say that the CPM has governed. But what I can say is that the expectations, I mean, one reason which was really kind of, which was instrumental in the regime change was the total disillusionment with the way that CPM functioned in urban and rural areas. Now, in rural areas, I mean, you have to give Mamata more time, sure.
Yes,
I mean,
okay.
you do have to. But 1 year again, I mean, I'm not even looking at it from the time point of view. Certain actions like putting people in jail
Yes.
or using the CID to target Facebook, I mean, these are completely
So we'll have to wait till at least the civic post.
but these don't have a time gap. I mean, nobody can do this at any point of time.
Okay, Jayanto, also just, we have to wrap up now, but since you got the last interview, I just wanted to ask that, do you think that, things can, there's been so much bad press, how can she turn this around perhaps?
I think now she should disassociate the bad acts of her party leaders also.
Okay.
What is happening?
Basically come
that
out in public and say this
she's not ready
statement is not
she's
mine.
not ready to. She is thinking that that police officer, he has done it, but this is my police, and the conspiracy is on against my government. So I have to accept. I have to. Protect. I should protect my officials, my cadre, But I'm telling you what Manovina also said, that the philosophy of class enmity, it was the communist philosophy, the Maoist, tried to implement.
Yeah.
So now the communists are changing from the class enmity to a lot of class harmony. Why Mamata will accept the rejected path of the communist of 60s and 70s?
Okay.
So I think Mamata also should now, what Mr. Raja said, that the governance, so she should,
focus on that.
distorted priority should
Deepa
not
Das
be there.
Munshi, just the last words from you. Will the Congress, back her up in providing this kind of harmony and governance which everyone's asking for in Bengal?
Yes, of course, the central government is giving all kind of support. And obviously, I am totally along with Jayantoda and Monobinadi that obviously there are two specific words. One is criticism that she has to accept, and one is conspiracy phobia. She has to come out of, not only herself, but the other ministers and the party workers also.
Okay.
Like what I wanted to raise one question before that I am just continuing this.
Please quickly,
that
ma'am,
at
we have
our
to-
marriage, when we had the marriage, at that time the CPIM party totally boycott. They didn't come for the social function.
Right.
But obviously when Priyo had this ailment, obviously the CPIM people came. I didn't say that you can't now you can't come and see him.
Right.
That's not our culture. So I just wanted to ask Derek, that's what just now Jayantoda also asked the same question. Do you accept the theory or the whatever Jyotirpriya Mollik has said? If you accept that, do you have tea with your own brother who is a nominated member
I think
of
Derek has
CPIM?
answered that, ma'am. I think he has answered that. So we're just going to wrap it up here. We're totally out of time. Derek O'Brien, Deepa Das Munshi, Jayanto Ghoshal, Monobina Gupta, D. Raja. Thank you all for joining us.